Hey, are you using Google Analytics to track traffic and users? I get it. GA4 dashboards can be confusing, and digging through them wastes time. If you want short, clear answers about sessions, users, bounce rate, and conversions without the noise, Google Analyst connects your GA4 to Bika.ai and returns plain English reports right in chat. You can also set the prompt to get a clear, easy-to-read report. For example, overview, key metrics, trends and insights, and recommendations. First, make sure your site is using GA4. Next, open Google Cloud Console, create or pick a project, then go to IAM and Admin, Service Accounts. Create a service account, call it something like JMCP Service, and give it the viewer role. Then add a key. Add key, JSON, and download the JSON file. Keep that file safe. Do not share your private key publicly. Now enable the Analytics Data API under APIs and Services, Library. Then open Google Analytics, go to Admin, Property Access Management, add the Service Accounts client email as a user with viewer at the property level, back in Bika.ai, search for Google Analytics and open its settings. Open the JSON you downloaded, copy the entire content, and paste it into Google Credentials. Then click Connect. Toggle Get Report and Get Active User Data on if you need both. Now try a few queries. For example, say, give me active users for the last month. On your first chat, you might see a message that says, permission denied for this Google Analytics property. If that happens, just paste the property ID, you can find it in Google Analytics, into the chat. The agent will pick it up, continue running, and generate a markdown formatted report. The agent converts relative dates into exact ranges, calls the Analytics Data API, and returns an overview with key metrics, trends, and short recommendations you can copy or share. Finally, to get started right now, open the Template Center on Bika.ai, search Google Analyst, and install the template. Give it a try and tell me which report surprised you.